everyone, and welcome to another episode of Data Evolution, where we bring data into life and we make business decision with it. So today we are going to teach us how to enter data into our Excel without stressing ourselves of having irregularity, different data type and all. So there is a way of doing it that make it more seamless, and that is what we are going to teach you. So the first thing that you need to have is have the name of the columns that you want to use. You need to have them down, because everything that you're not filling will be falling into it without you editing or doing anything. So the name of columns that we are having for this tutorial is just, we have name, we are having age, department, gender, and country. And the next thing that I'm going to do is just to edit this so that everything will fall without being hidden. We'll be able to see everything very well. So the next thing to do is for me to highlight all my columns. I can go then this is the form that we are going to use to fill our data manually. But there are some people that you don't have this in your Excel. It won't show. Don't be panic. Just come to this drop arrow and you can come from your file. We have different way of saying it. Just click it like this, more commands, then it will bring it another dialogues. Just change this to all commands for you to see every command that you need. Then you will search, you will scroll down to the one you want. We are going to form, so that should be under F. So yeah, it should be around there, form, see it here. So what you need to do is just to click on it, add, then click OK. That is the way to have it. So once you have it, just highlight your columns header, like I said earlier, and click on form. Then this message warning will pop up. Just click OK. Then you are good to go. You can start including your data into it. Or that. So the first name is we should use, let's say, Angel. I'm just clicking random name. Department, let's say finance. Gender, female. Country, let's say Nigeria. Press your enter so that it will go to another column. We can have let's say we can have the H25, department, IT, gender, male, country, let's say Ghana. Enter. And the third one can be Abdul, DH, let's say 22, department, let's say front desk, gender should be female, and the country should be Nigeria. I want us to have like 5 so that you see how it looks. Let's say would be age, let's say 26, admin, female, and country can be Libya, and the last person, let's see. Accountant. Sorry, I want to change it to proper case. Yeah, and the country should be. So after this, the next thing we do is for us to close this. Then we cannot do any formatting that we want to this data. We can change the font color. We can change it to blue and every other one like this. We can put it in bordered or bordered. You can do a lot of formatting on it best to your own liking, and that's about that. So we've come to the end of today's training. See you next